In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize pipeline stages in Pipedrive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tailor your sales pipeline so it mirrors your real process, keeps your team aligned, and makes your forecasts more reliable. First, head into the Deals area, then open the Pipelines view. This is where you can see the flow of opportunities from the moment they enter your world to the moment they're won or lost. If you work with more than one pipeline, make sure you're looking at the correct one before you make changes, so the updates land where you intend. Next, look for the gear icon or the Edit Pipeline option. Either one will take you into the configuration panel where stage names and ordering can be adjusted. Think of this as your control room for structuring how work moves through your sales process. Now let's make the actual changes. To add a stage, create a new column where it logically belongs in your flow. Give it a clear, action-oriented name. Short, consistent labels like qualified, proposal sent, or negotiation work well and help your team move quickly. Keep the total number of stages manageable so deals don't get stuck in limbo. To rename an existing stage, select the stage title and update it to better match the way your team actually sells today. This is a great time to standardize wording across your pipeline so everyone speaks the same language. If your terms are internal jargon, consider simplifying them. Clarity beats cleverness when you need fast, confident updates from your team. To remove a stage, select the delete option for that stage. Be mindful here. If there are active deals sitting in the stage you plan to remove, Pipedrive may prompt you to deal with them. Review your pipeline first so you understand the impact on reporting and team workflows. Removing unused or redundant stages can greatly simplify your view and improve adoption. When you've finished adding, renaming, or removing stages, click Save. This is the moment that locks in your changes and applies them to the pipeline. Take a quick glance back at your board to confirm the order feels natural, from first contact through to closing, and that stage names are unambiguous. That's it. You've customized your pipeline stages in Pipedrive. A final tip. Communicate the updated stage definitions to your team and keep an eye on how deals move over the next week. Small naming tweaks often lead to cleaner data, more accurate forecasts, and a smoother day-to-day rhythm.